Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve count digit problem. So actually this question is very easy. So let's read the question carefully. So actually what you have to do, so your input is 1234. Then you have to count how many digits present in that particular number. In your 1234, there are 4 digits, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your output will be 4. So without delay, let's get into the explanation. So actually our idea is very simple. So let's take your number is 5234. This is your number. So what is our approach? Our approach is we are going to, so let's take this is your number. So we are going to make our number as a 0. How we are going to make? With destroying digit by digit. See, you have a 5234. How will you destroy the last digit? Only last digit. So next iteration your number will become 523. How will you destroy this last digit? Yes, absolutely, with help of divided operator, right? Divided by 10. So when you divided by 10, see, when you divided by 10, sorry, this is not modulo. So when you divided by 10, what will be your answer? So your answer will be 523. So now your number is 523. From this point, you have to again destroy the last digit. What is the last digit? 3. So again divided by 10, your number will become 552. So you have a 52 in your number. Then again you have to destroy the last digit, right? So how will you divide it by 10? So now your number will become 5. So you have to again divide it by 10. So if I divide it by 10, my number will become 0, right? So from 5234 to, it will take how many steps it will take to reach 0? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So the same concept we are going to implement. So let's take your number as, your number is 4, 5, 2, 1, 0, 8, again 3. This is your number. This is your number. You have to count. How will you? So let's declare your count variable initially as 0. So my number, so what is my number finally will become? Finally it will become 0. So before the 0, I have to count how many steps it will take to reach the 0, right? So my number is initially this number. What I am going to do, while my number is always greater than 0, it won't reach 0. So before the 0, it will count all the steps. So what I am going to do, my number equal to number by 10. Fine. After that, I am incrementing my count. That's it. So initially my number is this one. Okay, this number is greater than 0. Yes, if the condition is true, my count is 1. After that, I am destroying this one. Num equal to num by 10 means I am destroying the last digit, and this is also greater than 0. So my count will increment it, and I am destroying the digit. So this is also greater than 0. So I incremented my count. So this one, and I incremented my count. So 4521, this is also greater than 0. So what I have to do, I am destroying the last digit and incremented my count. After that, the 452, that is also greater than 0. So I am destroying the last digit. So my count will become 5. Now 45 is greater than 0. Yes, absolutely. So I am destroying the last digit. My count is 6 right now. Now 4 is greater than 0. Yes. So I am destroying the 4. I am incremented my count. So let's count how many count is there. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the concept. It is a very easy question. So why I am taking this much time to explain? Because in future you are going to use this concept. Okay. Many steps in many program we are going to use this. We are going to count the digit. Okay, so let's code it up. Our task is declare the scanner class, scanner SN equal to new scanner system.in. Fine. Let's get the number n equal to SN dot next int. Then declare the count variable. Initially it is 0. It is count. Okay. So let's do the loop while my n is greater than 0 always. So if the condition is true, what I have to do? I have to increment my count. Then I have to destroy my last digit. N equal to n by 10. N equal to n by 10. This is equal to n by equal to 10. Okay. This is the assignment operator. Suppose if you haven't watched the assignment operators video, so please watch it. Then continue. Okay. Okay. Finally, you are going to print your count value, system.out.println of your count value. So let's run. Okay, so my input is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there? Actually 9 digit. What is that? 9, 8, 7. So totally 9 digit. So my output will be 9. So let's give another input like 5432. How many digits are there? 4 digit. So when I enter, yes, this is what I expected. This is what we are expecting, right? So I hope you have understood this problem. Okay, suppose if you haven't understood, please watch it again. Definitely you will understand. Okay, so I will catch up you in next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye, take care.